Hey guys, welcome back to SnakeHuntersTV. In this episode, I would like to give you guys, our supporters, a huge thank you. You guys helped us reach 5,000 subscribers. This is a big milestone for us, and we really appreciate it. So, we decided to do a special episode for you guys and support back with a free giveaway.
That's right, guys. Free giveaway. We just got our shipment in of our brand new t-shirts using our latest logo, and they turned out great. So check them out.
So, what do you guys think? I hope you like them, because we're going to be giving a few of them for free. My dad will give you the details in a second. I gotta go thaw out a Pinky Mouse for one of my pine snakes.
Okay, it's pretty simple, guys. If you want to win a free t-shirt, first off, go to our Facebook fan page shown below. Support us by liking our page, and this video will be posted within the page. So all you have to do is hashtag free giveaway in the comment of this video, and Krista will select a few random winners. We really do appreciate all your support. Thanks a lot, guys.
I love that little hiss when they strike. It's so funny. Aw, isn't she just so cute? I love watching these little buggers eat. Hey Dad, I bet you I can beat you at this new game, Flappy Bird.
Floppy Bird? What the heck is that? Is it like Nintendo's Duck Hunt? Is it making a comeback?
Duck Hunt? And what in the world is a Nintendo?
Ah, never mind. I forgot. You're too young. You don't know anything about the cool old school games. I'm a professional gamer from way back.
Yeah. So anyways, about Flappy Bird. Let's see who can get a higher score.
I'd school you at any game, kid.
Okay, let's make a bet then. Whoever gets a higher score in the game can make the other person do whatever they want. Remember the bet, anything. Shake on it. Oh, 19. I usually get over 30. Let's see what you can do, Dad.
19. I will crush that score. You're going down, punk.
God, what?
Oh my God, you didn't even get one? And you're good at games?
The game obviously cheated. The screen's way too sensitive.
Nice try, Dad. So, Are you ready to get embarrassed in front of all your friends?
Embarrassed? How could you possibly do that? Give it your best shot. Hit me with a wet snot, I don't care. What are you doing with that?
You are going to wear this, dress up like a woman. I'm going to take a picture and make you post it on Facebook. Here, dress up.
No.
You look so pretty, Dad. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Here you go. Post it on Facebook.
God. Oh my God. I cannot believe I am doing this. Here goes. Please.